Luxury lakefront living in one of the country's most innovative cities. Meticulously designed and constructed by Justice & Wood, this home perfectly marries style with comfort. I'm Julie Bettesini, and welcome to 10443 Woodward Winds Drive in Lake Nona, Florida.
Our company does designs and plans a lot of residential communities, and so we've also, over the last 10 years, been involved with the construction of a lot of spec homes, typically in high-end areas like Winter Park or on lakes in and around Central Florida. We were really excited to find this opportunity to have a lakefront lots and homes in the Lake Nona area. And as you can see behind me, Lake Nona is a gorgeous lake with very limited access to it, and there are just a very minute number of lakefront living opportunities.
Justice & Wood Builders is a custom home builder located in Orlando. The general custom home building process is a very lengthy process. And at this stage of construction, we're nearing the finish line, and that's the most exciting part to me, because each week when you visit the home, you can visibly see changes made to the home. We have a variety of different floor coverings throughout the home. Mainly on the first floor, it's hardwoods. We have some hardwood stairs going up. We have several different types of tiles and finishes, not only on the floors, on the walls. We have ceiling details based on trim and based with stained wood finishes. The windows, the doors, the sliders all have a more custom feel to it than you typically find in a production-based home.
I'm Julie Bettesini. Call me today to schedule your private tour.